Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, I just have to make a quick announcement about my products on Warrior Plus. As you can see here, it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. So we'll talk about that in a moment. And then we have some bonuses for you. So if you want to know what these bonuses are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Obviously, when you go and buy the copy from my link below, you will get these bonuses. But what are they exactly and how to get them, you will find the information in the end, and we'll also discuss the way to make money for long term using my method. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And coming back to the video now, so below there it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. I want you to click there, and then you will see some launches I have done. So these three are software, one is PLR, but these three are very cool software which will help you if you're a marketeer or individual or whosoever you are. This will definitely help you because the first one is very cool. It generates helps you generates images. So let me show you Drishyam AI. Okay, so if you click here, right click and then click on open link, that's the page. Okay, so it says create stunning AI visuals in seconds, and then you can go and watch this demo video, and then there are sample images which I can show you. So you can generate graphics like these using this Drishyam AI. So go and check out this. This will surely help you if you want to generate some cool thumbnails or some ebook covers or whatever. Okay, so go and check out this in your free time. Go and watch the demo. Drishyam AI is a very fantastic software for generating images you will never see anywhere else. Okay, go and check that how that works. Then we have Launch to Profit AI. Right click here and then click on open in new link, and then you have to go and watch this demo video again. This helps you to create all the campaigns. Okay, all affiliate campaigns you can think of, email copy, review articles, scripts, this and that. It's totally going to generate unlimited content for you all in a one-time thing. So go and check out this Launch to Profit AI, and if you want to generate some images, visuals, check out Drishyam AI. Similarly, check out this Review to Profit AI. So go and check out these things in your free time and watch the video till the end. Let's start the review now. All right, guys, let's do this ActivityForge Studio review. So right now we are on the sales page right here. So how do you get to the sales page? Well, you probably might find the link below my YouTube video, which will be saying grab ActivityForge Studio copy here. Click on that link, and that link should take you to the sales page. However, my links are showing pending for now. So if they will be approved, then you will find that link below my YouTube video so that you can click and come to this page where you can claim your discount using the coupon code FORGE. So note down this coupon code FORGE, and that will give you $2 discount. Okay, so what does it say? It says AI powered preschool worksheet creation system. Create endless preschool activity worksheets in minutes using an interactive activity builder designed for AI image generation, this and that. Okay, so it is going to create some prompts which you can use in ChatGPT or something else AI software, and you can generate the activities. So let me show you the examples. Okay, so if you see the sales page, there are they. Okay, so these are those sample examples. This is what you can generate and take a print out and then give it to your kids, or this will be handful in play schools, I guess, if you have kids school, kindergarten. So this is the activity package. Okay, and all of this can be generated by you. Okay, you don't have to buy this. You can generate all of this for free using ChatGPT. All you have to do is take the printout. Okay, so you can see those the more samples on the sales page, and different types of activities you can do, coloring books, stuff like that. You see here all of the papers. So yeah, looks cool to me, right? And what else do we have? Let's go through some question answers. It's gonna cost you, I guess, $16 to start with, and if you use the coupon code, you will get this in $14 only. So go and grab this from a link below if you find it. And we have some question answers right here. So what is ActivityForge Studio? So this is an interactive web-based app in which you can generate prompts. Okay, so you can use those prompts on ChatGPT, as I told you, or in some other AI software, right? And what is my license? So your purchase includes a commercial license. You may create, publish, and sell worksheets, printable products, activity packs, this and that. You can sell them. Okay, however, you may not resell, redistribute, share, or give away the ActivityForge Studio or the app, right? I hope you understand. So PLR license is available in the upgrades, right? What AI tools can I use? I already have told you ChatGPT, Gemini, etc., etc., etc. Can I use the builder offline? Yes, you can. So can I edit the prompts? Of course you can. Who's stopping you? Nobody, right? And by the way, with the prompts, I remember in the beginning I told you go and check out Drishyam AI. My own product, which you see on this this link here, Variable Products. I did mention about Drishyam AI that generates awesome visuals and generates prompts for it. That Drishyam AI, which is my software in the beginning, I told you that generates awesome visuals using prompts. So go and check out that too. Okay. So can I sell worksheets I create? Of course you can. Is it beginner friendly? Of course it is. Are there upsells? Yes, there are. I'll show you. What is a different policy? They have, I guess, 30-day different policy about technical problems. Okay. Questions, you can email them. I think we're good to go. So ActivityForge Studio, nice, neat, and clean product which gives you prompts. Okay. Now the OTOs are right here. Where? Right here. Okay, so front end will be from 16 to 26. If you buy this early when it launches, you will get this in $14 after using the coupon code. And the OTO one is $34, in which you will get extra these things and also PLR rights. And then downsell is for $24, and OTO 2 is only for $54. And there are only two OTOs, commercial rights. Okay, PLR and commercial rights. There are only two OTOs, nice and neat, clean funnel. Okay, not 10 OTOs, not 10 sales pages you have to go through. So go and grab it. And as I said, my links are not approved yet. If they will be, you will find it below my YouTube video. If they will not be approved, then you will not find the link. So you have to go and check this out. And go and grab that Drishyam AI if you want to generate awesome visuals. Okay, so now let's go ahead and talk about some serious stuff, how to make money online. So watch the video till the end. Alright guys, now we are done with the review and let's talk about some serious stuff, how you can make real money online. So if you go below my video again and click on more and check out these links. So I have like 2-3 methods which I personally use in my online life to make money on the internet. So I have mastered Forex trading. So it says swing like a pro. You click on that link and then you enter your name and email and then you will come to this page. This is Forex trading. Okay, so when you come to this page, you can watch these videos. These are short videos, 2-3 minutes long each video. Okay, you can go and watch it to know exactly what's my knowledge and should you go and join this program or not. Okay, this is not for everybody. It is only for people who have the money. Okay, it's an investment thing. Forex trading or any kind of trading is about investment. Okay, you have to have the money. Okay, so right from the beginning, this option trading, Forex trading is not for those people who are broke, who are living on paycheck to paycheck, who are living on a budget. You don't have flexibility with the funds. It's not for you. So chill. Okay, it's not for you. No headaches, right? It's only for people who have the money. They can join my program and they can work with me. More details you can find when you click on this link, right? Second option is make money on YouTube, which everybody can do if you can talk. You don't even have to come on the camera if you don't want to. So if you click on this make money on YouTube link, you will have to just enter your name and email, and you can also watch this video, the testimonial. Okay, the testimonial is all about how to make money on YouTube and how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel just within 2-3 weeks and get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Okay, so go and enter your name and everything and check out the testimonial here. After that, you will come to this page. Okay, so YouTube gives you multiple sources of income. If your YouTube channel is monetized, you can make money with ad revenue, as you can see. So when you see these ads in my YouTube video, I get paid little bit of money, not much, but it something is better than nothing. Okay, so this much money which you see on the screen, I made only by making these videos for free. You watch ads, people watch ads, and I made this kind of money. Okay, and then obviously you can watch more testimonials and you can see, you can sell anything in your YouTube video. You can sell your services, whatever. Okay, so this is it. And this screenshot which you see here, this is about the email marketing. I'm gonna talk about that in a moment. Okay, so go and check out all these things. YouTube is for people who want to work manually. Okay, I do everything. I do email marketing, YouTube, trading, this and that. I do everything. Okay, but you have to maybe choose one to start in the beginning, because it depends what your expertise is. Okay, if you have the money and you're willing to invest, then you can join my Forex trading program. If you are interested in making money on YouTube, then go and click this make money on YouTube and join Traffic Jarvis. Get the knowledge first. Okay, and get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month. And then it says get 100 email leads per day. Okay, so this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you will also you also get the software, the system inbuilt, from where you can send email to these 100 leads once every single day. Okay, so 100 leads per day, and you can email them once in 24 hours, and you can sell them any offer of your choice, including the system itself. Okay, So I have attached the screenshot here. So you can see I made this kind of money. How much I made? Actually more. This screenshot is quite old, so I have made more than this. It's an old screenshot, okay? But you can see this is a recurring commission. So if you want to promote the system itself, you will get commissions every month, and you will not become rich, but you have to just work and build your commissions, okay? So anyways, I think let's and if you want to talk to me, so for example, you want to talk to me one to one, you're not sure what is suitable for you, you should do trading, you should do YouTube, you should do email marketing, or you're confused, you just want to speak with me. If you want to have if you want to consult with me one to one, you can click on this link right here, and you can book your consultation call in at $97 for 40 minutes. As you can see here, all you have to do is click on this button, make the payment, and then simply drop me an email with your timing, okay? So you can drop me an email after the payment and tell me that when do you want to speak with me, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before the payment, okay? So let's talk about the bonuses here. So you will get free lifetime email autoresponder if you go and buy from my link below. So you will get the bonuses so that you can do email marketing and get this email responder so that you can do it for free, okay? And Kiss Jacking is a 2 hours YouTube training program. If I show you, it's a YouTube video training program which I'm giving you for free for 2 hours, as you can see, in which you will learn exactly how to do what I'm doing or others are doing right now, meaning how to make these review videos and make sales and get commissions, okay? And last thing is Forex Profit Machine. So in case you have no idea what trading is all about, which I was showing you earlier, if you don't know what this trading is, then I'm giving you 11,000 words PDF book for this forex trading for beginners, okay? So you will get these 3 bonuses if you go and buy this software for whatever we have done the review. If you go and buy from a link below, you will get these 3 bonuses. And if you have any questions, you can always email this to me, okay? So let's do a quick recap, I guess. So you have few ways to make money on the internet. You can either try trading, or go and get traffic Jarvis, make money on YouTube, or get 100 leads per day, or book consultation with me. And you can get checking if you want to, or just do whatever you like, okay? So subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care.